In this video, we will point out the various external components of the control valve. The front face of the control valve is part of the power head assembly. This is the display screen and the keypad buttons used to program the system. Here's the inlet side view of the control valve. The water flows into the control valve from this side as shown by this arrow that is embossed on the valve body. This is the side view of the power head. This is a secure clip and brine line elbow which contains the brine line flow control. This is where the injector set and screen will be found behind the injector cover. This is a clip and screw that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. There's another set on the other side of the control valve as well. This is the meter cable that measures the flow of water that passes through the system. This is a plug and secure clip that generally should not be removed. If necessary, it could be removed to help obtain a raw water sample from this port. This is the bypass tool, which is a hexagonal shaped tool that assists in opening and closing the bypass valve. This is now showing the back side of the control valve. This is the back plate of the power head, where you'll find your system's model number and serial number label, as well as the control valve's serial number label. This is showing a different angle of the brine line elbow and the meter cable. This is a secure clip and entry point that the raw water supply is connected to. This is known as the inlet side, whereas this secure clip and exit port is where the treated water comes out of the control valve and is known as the outlet side. This is the power connection for the power transformer, and this shows another angle of the bypass tool and how easy it is to lift the tool out of its position and be able to open both the outlet and inlet side of the bypass valve and then place them back into bypass mode. This shows the outlet side view of the control valve. The water flows out of the control valve from this side, as shown by this arrow that is embossed on the valve body. Here's the other clip and screw that attaches the bypass valve to the valve body. This is the other plug and clip that generally should not be removed, but again, if it is necessary, could be removed to help obtain a treated water sample from this port. Here's another angle of the power connector as well as the meter cable. This is a secure clip and drain line elbow which contains the drain line flow control. And this is the side view of the power head. And here we've arrived back to the front face of the control valve, and we've now seen all of the external control valve components.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.